Hey Californians, you just got slapped with water restrictions for the first time in history. How does that make you feel? What if I told you that just 4% of your state's water use is in personal homes? Starting to feel like these restrictions won't make much of a difference? There is a better way. Introducing Plant-Based Diet from the makers of Okinawans, the longest living humans on planet Earth. Did you know that it takes 660 gallons of water to produce one hamburger? That's the amount of water you'd save by avoiding showers for 2 months. Trust me, not even Governor Jerry Brown wants that. PU. Did you know that a single glass of cow's milk requires 23 gallons of water to produce? Well, a glass of soy milk uses just 9 gallons of water. Did you know that 47% of water used in California is to produce meat, dairy, and eggs? Or that on average fruits and vegetables require 10 times less water to grow than animal products? Yes, by switching to a plant-based diet today, you could save more water in a month's worth of meals than you'd use in an entire year in your home. Are you starting to get angry about this ban on personal water use? Us too. Tell your politicians today that the real culprit in the drought is animal agriculture, and that Californians standing up and choosing a plant-based diet is the healthiest and most eco-friendly way to deal with this environmental catastrophe. Did we mention that climate change is responsible for this drought, and that animal agriculture produces more greenhouse gases than all of transportation combined? Seems cruel and unusual, doesn't it? Ask your farmer today about switching to plant-based diet. Your state and your housemates will thank you. This message brought to you by the good people at Plantiful Health. Subscribe today for more positive health messages every week.